Hi, in this tutorial I will show you how you can use CryptoStream class in C#.NET. CryptoStream's class allows you to encrypt and decrypt your data on the fly using various streams. If you have a good knowledge and you know how to implement streams in C#.NET, then you are good to go. If you don't know, I would recommend that you first learn how to use streams in C#.NET. After that, please watch this video. Now, first of all, I will uh, demonstrate how you can read a simple file from a user. After that, we will use this file's content and will create another file where we will store encrypted information of that file. So I have created a temp folder on my desktop. Here it is. I want to create a file inside this with the name of first file. Now I will just write here some random text and then I will just save it. Now I am going to have a path to this file. So I will have a path to this file using environment variable. So environment variable, I will get the paths from the desktop, and since it's present inside the temp directory and the file name is first file and extension is text. Now if you are interested in reading this file, you usually do with the stream reader class in C#.NET, and inside the stream reader you pass a stream class. This stream class could be anything: file stream, network stream, and memory stream. So here I am using file stream class, and this file stream will get a path from me and the file mode will be open. After that, my goal is to get all the contents from this file. So I will say reader dot read to end, and then just I will print out all of the contents on the screen. I will just hit start, and you can see that I have got encryption is good for security purposes. Now you have learned how to read the file and you have stored the contents in the contents variable. Now my goal is to save the contents to another file, but this content will be in encrypted form. So I will create another path, and this will be also on desktop, and it will be having extension of text, and the name will be second file. After that, you have to create a few things, and these things involves, first of all I will comment this. These things involves the CryptoStream class. You can also use CryptoStream interface, and you will be needing an algorithm which will help you out in encrypting and decrypting this data. So I am currently using Regendel algorithm, and you can use any algorithm, but for this tutorial I will be using Regendel, and I will be creating the key and the particular for variable from this regeneral class. So how I am going to use this? The first step is that I will create this regeneral managed class. I will use this. I have to create an object of this, so I will create regeneral managed object, and this will be such that a new object will be created. After that, my goal is to have two particular things such that the key and the for variable, this one. Now for this tutorial I will be using predefined key and the for variable. So this is basically the byte, and I have stored it myself in a text document. You can use the generate for, so it will generate the random vector for you. If you want this to be generated by this managed variable, you can use this, or if you want to use your own, you have to use this. So I will say key and I will hit equals, and here I haven't got it, sorry, it may be placed somewhere else, but particularly I will just use the generated ones from here. So the next step is using a CryptoStream class. So how you can use it? It is placed here, CryptoStream, and it is a new CryptoStream class. After that, you have to pass a stream where you would like to write your particular data. So what I am going to do here is that I will use this using block, in which I will create a CryptoStream object with the name of a stream. Then this will be the CryptoStream class. So it is requiring me a stream. So how I am going to use this? I will further encapsulate this inside a file stream, and I will name it a stream, a file stream, and I will pass the path where I would like to store this. So this path is here, from which I would like to write the contents, and then I will use the regeneral managed, and the regeneral managed will create an encryptor for me, and then I will pass the regeneral managed key and the regeneral managed for parameters here. After that, the next thing which I am requiring here is basically the in the file stream. Okay, sorry, so I don't have to use it here. I have to use just a file stream here, and this file stream will get the path, and I'm going to create a new file. Now I will just paste the CryptoStream block, and since we are using the file stream here, and the regeneral manage dot create an encryptor for me dot key, and this value. After that, the mode is to provide the contents. Once it's done, now I need a writer to write the contents to this file. So how I am going to do this, I will use a stream writer, and this stream writer will take the above stream, and after that inside this I can write whatever to the file. It's up to me. I can write anything inside this. I can use the console.writeLine. I can use the contents from another file. I can use the contents from a stream. So here what I am going to do is, since I am going to read the contents from the first file, so what I will do, I will using stream reader and new file stream, and I will pass first path, and file mode is open. Now this reader, from this reader I will read all the contents in this section. I will be using such that reader dot read to end, and after that writer dot write, and inside this I will just write the contents. Okay, now once I am sure that the contents are being successfully written, I will use a notification such that encryption is done. Okay, now I will just hit start, and you can see I have got the message encryption is done. I will just read this file here. You can see I have got different sort of characters here. Now I want to read the second file here. How I'm going to read this? So I am going to read this using the reverse strategy of creating a decryptor that will be used here. Inside this I will read the contents from the second file, and by using this horizontal managed I will create a decryptor, and this decryptor will decrypt the contents from the second file and will display the contents on the screen for me. So how this will be going on? For this I have to create a CryptoStream class, and this will be stream basically, and basically I have to provide file stream where I have to specify which file I'm going to read. So I have to use file stream equals to new file stream, and the path is part2, file mode is open, and I will pass the contents here, and after that this CryptoStream will take the file stream for me, and the horizontal manage dot create decryptor will decrypt the contents for me. And the next step is CryptoStream mode dot read. So there are two differences. Here you can see we have used write, and here you will use the read. Okay. Now I will use I will be using now another step. First step is reading the file stream, and then here is stream, and now we have to read this file stream. So how we are going to do this? We need a stream which should be read. So we used a stream writer here, but here only we will use stream reader. So and here I will just pass the stream. Now my goal is to fetch the contents, and then display it on the screen. I will delete this second file because it already exists. So here I will just specify a notification: decryption is done. So I will hit start, and you can see that in first step encryption was done. Now we retrieve the original content from the encrypted data, and this was basically encryption is good for security purposes. And at the end we got the notification: encryption is done. If you are interested in checking the contents of the writer or the contents of the second file, you just have to use a stream reader here for verification purposes. All you have to do is using stream reader this part2 file mode dot open. After that just display it on the screen, and you have to just specify the encrypted data is also so I will delete this file, and I will just hit start. As you can see, encryption is done. The encrypted data is this one, and the decrypted data is encryption is good for security. Decryption is done. So this was an approach how you can use CryptoStream class and the Regendle managed algorithm for encrypting and decrypting data in C#.NET. Hope so you have understood the basic information from this tutorial. For any questions, please feel free to comment, and I will catch you up there in the comment section. Thank you.